Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Edge air conditioner step by step. Begin by parking safely, engaging the parking brake, and switching the ignition to accessory. Make sure the climate system is off and remove any debris from vents. Check the cabin air filter and fuses next. If you need to access the blower motor or control module, remove the lower dash panel carefully and keep all screws organized. Start by locating the HVAC control module behind the lower dash on the passenger side and remove the access panel. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes to clear the system memory safely. While disconnected, inspect the blower motor connector and visible wiring for damage or corrosion. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and set the climate controls to max cool to verify compressor engagement and airflow restoration. If the reset steps did not restore performance, begin troubleshooting by inspecting HVAC and blower fuses for continuity and proper seating. Listen for the AC clutch engaging at max cool to confirm the compressor is working. If the blower operates, but air stays warm, the system likely needs a refrigerant pressure check or professional recharge. Also inspect cabin air filter condition and duct pathways for obstructions that reduce airflow and cooling efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.